let me get this straight. Last night I sent my phone in for repairs, okay? Today I get it back. What is the first thing I see? Christian Horner is fired. He's replaced, and um, Racing Bull's team principal is replaced uh, in less than 24 hours. Don't mind the hair, okay? But all those movements in Red Bull in less than 24 hours. So that could be one, either because they lost Max, and Red Bull had enough of, Kirsten's nonsense, or two, it was either Max or Christian. I don't know. I don't know. It's still speculation, to be fair. But if I'm honest, that's the only two things that I could think of right now, honestly. So yeah, what a shock. Well, I mean, it's not really a shock. They did warn us that it would eventually happen, but yeah. Um, wow, brutal. Okay, well, not as brutal as Liam being promoted, but okay. Yeah. Ciao.